What's up? It's your buddy Jack. How to make cannabis-infused simple syrup using a distillate today. Today I'm using the Jetty Extracts Reckless Rainbow 0.5 grams here. And this recipe is simple as hell. You're gonna need a half cup of water, a half cup sugar, and your distillate. It doesn't have to be the Jetty, it could be anything you prefer. And vegetable glycerin is an optional step here. I know the Jetty comes already activated, ready to go. I could literally take this, push it on my tongue, and it would get me high. That's why I'm super excited about the Jetty Extracts. I actually made a quick little video about this product in particular. I'll throw up in the info card. But today is simple as hell. Let's go ahead, bring that half cup of water to a boil, add the half cup sugar, push in the half gram of distillate, mix it around, put it in our simple bottle, and get ready to make some cocktails.
Yeah, this is True Buzz, that Mary J. Now we ain't new to this. For my stoners and for my cannabis enthusiasts, talking edibles and bringing comedy. Let's get it, time to pass it to the left and we can have a smoke session. Hey, yeah, true love for my True Buzz, light it up and I'm on it. This vibe take me way back, screaming I got 5 on it. Indica to sativa, anything that you need, break it down like the weed. This is True Buzz TV. True Buzz, I'm a stoner, I'm a smoker. It's a hobby.
So I hope you find this recipe helpful. And to be honest, I think you could even simplify it more. As you see, I had the water pitcher of boiling water. I think you could just straight up add the distillate into that with the sugar already in there and it'd be good to go.